Alright guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a bootable macOS USB drive from Windows. Oh my god, isn't that even possible? So let's check it out. First of all, I'm going to show you the two methods you can use, and of course you will need to have a flash drive and you have a working Windows operating system and the macOS image. In this case we'll choose one image and then try to make some bootable macOS USB. So let's go ahead. First of all, there are the tools that we will use by doing that processes, and then I'll leave a link in the description and make sure you check that out. First of all, let me try what I call TransMac, and I will start by installing it. Double click as usual, and then never mind, press next. Yeah, accept. Okay, then press next. Okay, no problem, next, and then next again, install. Then it takes like 0 minutes to finish, I promise. And you see now it's now finished. But by this time it is now telling that the setup has finished installing, and then TransMac is ready to do our work. Before doing anything, make sure you uncheck this one and then plug your USB thumb drive, and make sure you use the thumb drive that don't contain some important documents. You have to back up, then you can use it for making the macOS bootable USB drive. So ready to go ahead and plug in it. There you go. You notice that sound, and then you really press on finish, and then minimize this one, and then to tell it to now trial that because we didn't buy a license, you can buy it, but it can do our work as well. And then you can wait and then press LAN. Okay, and then hand over on the left side here. You see this is now my USB flash drive. If you have plugged one, you will see yours here, and then you go right click, format this disk for Mac, and then it will warn us if that you will overwrite anything that is on our thumb drive, and then we are going to go ahead and press yes. Okay, you can now call it macOS like this one. It requires to name, and then press OK, and then to overwrite that one. Okay, press yes. There you go. Then you wait a little bit. Taking a couple minutes, nah, not minute but second. Okay, just you have to wait. I'm going to speed up not to make the video so long, because we're doing two methods here. And there you go. Okay, now the format is complete, and then now we are now ready to make our bootable USB drive. Then we will go here. Now we are going to do right click again, restore with disk image like this one, press here, and then it will run us again. Then we go press yes, and then to really ask for choosing the image to restore. In this case, let me navigate to where I have the disk files or the image files. In this case, I have it here. I have like macOS 10.10 to the yosemite zone. Okay, never mind, go ahead and double click, then press OK, and then to warn us again as always. Then you go ahead and press yes, and then the process will now start to be now done. And then you will wait a couple of minutes in order to be flashed on your USB drive, and then you are ready to go. But it's not for taking for so long. We are going to cancel this one, then we are going to show, I'm going to show you the method number 2. So let me go ahead and press cancel, and then press yes, and then cross this one. The second tool that I'm going to demonstrate is what we call balenaEtcher, and you can use it as well when that one doesn't work for you, or it doesn't seem well to you. You are not comfortable by using it. You can use balenaEtcher here. You can go ahead and double click like always, then you wait for setup to be opened. Okay, here we are now. Then press agree, installing. Okay, taking a couple of seconds, then you have to wait. I don't mind my bunny here in my background. I like the bunnies. Then you wait. There you go. Now our balenaEtcher is now here, now ready. First of all, we need to unplug our flash drive and then plug it again like this one. Okay, then you go ahead and open our balenaEtcher, like this one. Boom. And then you see how it look like. First of all, it will require us to select the image, and then the second it will show us the flash drive that is currently running. And then you can change, like here, if you have like 3 of them, you can choose whatever compatible to you, to Windows. And go ahead and call this one, and then you can select image, like here, and then you can navigate where you have your image. And then in this case I have like here, roll on, boom, OS, macos, and then yosemite. By this time double click, and then it is now ready to flash. And then we go ahead and press flash, like this one, and then to restart counting, and then you are ready now to go. And then the next steps after doing the bootable macOS USB drive, the next step is to insert it in your Mac PC or your iMac, and then you will press on the Alt negative keys while you are booting, and then hold until you see where to choose, and then you will see that your flash drive have been now read, and then you are now ready to go. Okay, thanks guys. I hope enjoyed this video, and if so, you have to please subscribe if you really want to. It's free, and then you can press like, smash like now, and then you can leave comments, and then I'm happy to see you again. So peace out.